there are people who go on criticizing other Sahaja-yogis. I've seen it's very common. That's a sign of a very low type of a Sahaja. Because he doesn't see what's wrong with him. He's trying to criticize others. Does he see what is wrong with him? There are other kinds of Sahaja-yogis who do not realize that they are like Ganas. They are like Ganas. And imagine the Ganas, how quick they are. The Ganesha is creating those Ganas, and they are in the sternum bones first, and then they go all over the body. As soon as this centered heart, the mother's place, starts little bit vibrating, they get alerted. So we have to be alert. It's very important that we have to be alert. For about 12 years of your age, these Ganas stay there in the sternum bone, and then they go to the whole body. Because they are matured enough, they are kept there till they are completely mature to fight the enemies. And they know what kind of enemies they are. They know everything. What kind of fighting is needed, what kind of opposition is there. They will just select and they will appoint themselves who should fight whom, who should do this. But they just don't sit all the time in the mother's house. So we have to go to the people. We have to go into the Virata's body. We have to move out. We have to go all out. Without having any fear, you have to fight them. Not to sit at home crying like a baby now, you are all grown-up people. So this is what is written in the Buddha's future life, that he becomes Maitreya, means he has 3 mothers in him, Maitreya. But also that he goes all out in the society. He goes out everywhere and he changes people. When you ask for Gurupada, you don't know you are in trouble. Guru doesn't sit at home. He has to go all out, meet all kinds of people, tell them about Sahaja Yoga, not to be afraid. You have to live with the society. You don't have to have exclusive society where we enjoy bhajans and things. That's over now. I mean, of course, we'll always have bhajans. It doesn't mean that. But you have to go beyond. Not only to be involved only in your own problems which are being now solved, so only in Sahaja Yoga, but Sahaja Yogis, but you have to go all out. Meet other people. Tell them about Sahaja Yoga. The best is to wear badges. So people ask, who is this? Then you can talk to them. Your friends, your society. You don't have to give up anything. Don't have to give up anything. You are detached. You just go and see for yourself. This is wrong. Like yesterday they showed all kinds of things. Also disco dance they showed it. You should go to the disco and give them the pamphlets. Show them, what are you doing? Are you mad? Or do this kind of a disco more there. So they'll say, what's wrong with them? Then he said, we are copying you. That will put them down. You see, a lady who is, say, smoking and this and that, standing with a pose, go and stand before her with a pose and smoking like this. She stop it. So by copying them one way, showing them what they are. Another, writing. You must start writing. It's very important to write and answer. I must tell that there's a very nice article which has come now with me, and the English Sahaja Yogi should take it from me and answer the gentleman. It's very important. It's in my room. I'll give them. You must know what's happening all around. What's happening in Bosnia, what's happening in Italy, what's happening here. You should read newspapers. You can see television also. Now when you are matured. Otherwise, if you see television, you'll go mad like other television people are. So what's the use of seeing the television? But If you see the television with a detached mind, you will immediately get the point where you have to hit. Otherwise, you are sitting in the house, nicely covered up, mother, 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 mother. That's not so. Ganesha gives powers to these Ganas and they fight. That's why it's called as Ganapati. If you want to call me Ganapati, then you have to like Ganas. You have to be like Ganas, who go all out and work it out in so many ways. There's so many tricks which you can play on these people and try to bring them to structure. And with you is this all-pervading power. You should not shun them. For example, laws of your countries are so horrible. Some of the laws are so horrible, the peculiar type. You should write. There's no equity, there's no sense in so many laws that you have, which are money-oriented. Say in France, they have very, very funny laws. And they never maintain the law. They don't believe in it. There's no morals, there are no laws. You write to them. You must go and see newspaper people, tell them about it. Try to now assert yourself. Unless and until you do that, nobody is going to get to Sahaja. You might get very great people out of that. You can invite some people, you can call them. The modus operandi of these gurus I have seen. They write very nice letters to all these big, big Johnnies as soon as they go to some house. Then they seek interview, go and see that person, talk to him. They carry, you see, sort of, you can say, a kind of a negotiations, you can call it, or some sort of a panel will go and see them. It's all that level. And then they show them books, see now this is happening, why don't you take to it? We don't want money, this thing, that. You might get lots of people. But you have to invite them, because unless and until you invite them, they'll not come to you. So you have to invite them. And you have to tell them that we want to meet you, this is it. Out of at least 100, if not, at least 20 will reply. They would like to meet you, should say, we found out this, we found out that. So now, today, as Ganesha's Ganas, you have to do this special work, is to understand now you are matured enough, you have to go in the society. Now if you get upset, mother, I went there and this happened and that, it doesn't matter. You are not going to be crucified. You are not going to be murdered. And do you know there's all the time eye protection on you. If you want, you can see a photograph we have. It's him. You can see that. Complete protection. It follows you. You have seen light on your heads. You are the marked people who are already sitting in the kingdom of God. Why should you be afraid? Why should you not meet people? Then also I said, make some music. Like yesterday's, I liked the way they were singing. At least you see whatever they were singing may not be pop music sort or something, but it was clear. The message should be clear. You can use pop style, doesn't matter. But the message should be clear. It should not be, I can never understand what they are singing. So every word should be clear cut. We can go all out to have real publicity. But for that, we need people who are really matured enough. Otherwise, with the slightest provocation, they get upset, start fighting. Finished. Also, we should not say that you are intellectual, you cannot understand. You said you can mentally also you can understand. We can explain to you. Prepare yourself. We can even have some sort of seminars or classes where we can discuss about these things. In the pujas, you can have some sort of a morning time is always free, some sort of a seminar or a discussion, or they call a brain trust or whatever it is. And there you can discuss things, how we can proceed, what we can do. Now the time has come, it's over. All this preparation is over. You are prepared for it. Now you have to go all out, tell people. You know these people from this Brahma Kumari, what they tell? Now the doomsday has come. You are all going to be doomed openly. And so that you give us money, you will be saved. So now you have to say that this is the last judgment. You take your realization, otherwise you will be doomed. Unless and until you take your realization, without your assent, you cannot get out of your genetic problems. All these genetic problems can be only solved if you get your realization. So you have to tell others, get out of your personal problems. Mother, my wife has no children. It doesn't matter. There are so many children in this world. You are doing a good work by not having a child. And if you want to have a child, you can adopt a child. Then my child is like this, my child is like that, my child. So much attachment to children I've never seen. Before marriage, if they have children, I've seen people treat them better. But if they are married, they kill their children. So many people kill their children, abuse their children, do all kinds of things. But once they are Sahajogis, they, from this end to that end, they just get glued to their children. So there should be a detached attitude towards everything and no attachments. Then only you will be free. But that doesn't mean that you are not doing your duty, your nourishment that is needed. You have to give love to everyone, you have to care for everyone, but you shouldn't get attached. I have seen people, they get attached even to Sahajogis. One Sahajogi misbehaved and went out of the Sahajoga. 10 Sahajogis went away with him. They are not attached to me but to that stupid Sahajogi. He went to Nepal, he learned some Vidya, he came back and they went away with him. That shows you have not developed your personality. How dare anybody influence you and say that get out of Sahajoga? If you have a mature personality and responsibility, you will say I have to do Sahajoga work, that's the main thing I have to do. You must know that though you look ordinary people, but God has chosen you. If any one of you do not do Sahajoga work, who will be blamed? In every aspect of life, one should understand. You see, I don't say that you give me money or anything, I don't want anything from you. As it is, you know how much I am spending. But definitely, if money is needed somewhere, you must go all out to help with money also. People will spend money in, say, races or spend money on some sort of a pub. All that money is saved now. You don't have to go to a pub, nothing. So, if money is needed, you have to spend. Then another thing is people just start asking, why so expensive? Why this? Why that? In Sahajoga, everybody knows accounts. Everybody has accounts. There's nothing secret. Where money goes, what we are using for. How do you have this tent? How do you have this land? How do you have Dolio? Just think, nobody thinks like that. From where mother gets money to do all these things? I don't need such a big castle, do I? For what? I've already bought another house in London from my own money. Why? There's already, we have spent so much money for this shooting camp. It's giving no money at all. Why? I don't need Sahajoga, it is you people who need it. And if you start saving money on that also, then I don't know what to say to you. It doesn't mean like in the church they say you must give money and all that, but your dedication. If you have the dedication, then you will yourself think that is my responsibility. On the contrary, you'll say, oh, you need money, all right. Now school has to be built. Who has built Vashi? Who has built this Ganpati Pule? Who has built such a big ashram now you'll see in Delhi? Who has donated money for Sahajoga so far? You all have prospered in life. You all have got sufficient money. But what are you doing? So, in this aspect, is you have to see that you do your level best for Saju. Another side is your creativity.